Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations, showing off some of the cool figures and things that I've been able to print with my Creality 3D printer. Now this thing is absolutely fantastic and I'm a big fan. Now one of the first things that you're going to go ahead and print is something similar to this. You put in your SD card and there's already going to be a file on there for you to kind of practice printing something. Easy setup in a matter of minutes, and this is going to leave little dots of resin and slowly but surely build this. Now, a lot of times you're gonna go ahead, this didn't take any sanding or anything. This is exactly how it looked as soon as I pulled it off the printer. You can sand down the bottom and remove the base if you're so inclined, but that's essentially what your product will look like. Now, I went ahead and went online and got myself an Ultimate Warrior figure because I wanted to paint an action figure. So the next project that I'm working on is this. I've already sprayed it with a little bit of primer, which makes it easier to paint, but you can see I've worked through and made this guy. Now some other 3D printed, because this is a larger printer, we gotta back up for it, Andre the Giant. Now, the nice thing about this printer is that it prints larger items and you're able to see bigger stuff and print more things with it. And this particular edition is easy to set up. Just a couple screws and you're good to go. Those old 3D printers took a while. I also printed myself a WWE Warlord and Jim the Anvil Neidhart. In the back, I 3D printed, a Canadian earthquake. Now, a good thing about the resin is it's fairly durable because my stuff does fall over sometimes. But for me, my method was I would pick up some paints, I would hand paint them, and then I would use Mod Podge to give them a quick coat of lacquer, and that accounts for the shine. But you know, you can print just about anything you want, whether that's glasses, cups. My buddy does coasters. It's easy to do thanks to the good folks at Creality. All right, folks, if you're looking for a 3D printer that is built to last, one that's easy to use and even fantastic for beginners, well, guess what? Creality has got you covered. And the fact that you can do a variety of sizes and styles and types of resin really makes a difference here. Again, it's let the printer do the work for you. A very simple design. You're gonna take this once you get it out of the printer. You're going to maybe file down the bottom, the base, make it look however you want, or you can paint it. But it's a lot of fun. If you're a hobbyist enthusiast, maybe you got some old toys, maybe you got something you want to build, well, this is the device for you. And there's all sorts of apps and files online that you can start downloading and printing anything your heart desires. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and check it out. You won't be disappointed.